Menteri Ketenat Jngohkai ke jela ba polongdo olong ba Baroh si Katta juyok Sngew bandon ke Jingdawa ke seng kali Kamai nama ba kampat Kiew ke kam Jngohkai pertai hakani ke jela hendai menta hadin bakani ke kam ke Kiew kibri ke kwa ban rep nakani ke kam hendai kam don ke ba bakala kata hakaju ke pola maha maka Jingdawa jong ke seng kali Kamai ban khang ke kali na ba jela kala ban wanra ka Jingta kala ya ke jela hi habakran menta ka sengi ka apa pratring unaila ajala pusan u ba pol ong baka ke banjia lada ka soka asam ro kan khang ya kai kali ka mai na mekhaya ban leit bu breu bat kani kan wanra ka Jingta ko sirkhai ba ulang ru baka jala mekhaya kamdon ka ling suin ke bahe kamdon ke station rel ki jaka suma ha ka ba ki breu na kani ki jala ki hab ban leit sha asam ban pendep ki kam ki jam ulabu jingkli hatu ka seng ki kali Kamai kan sim jigit kli lada kapoi siau ni uput long bakim dai ban perkhat kim jing mot tang na kamta ka jing mentoi simen menteri long ba ka soka ka don ru ka komiti ba kli da commissioner secretary ba cv ding do ban penbe jing jogi kali Kamai wal wa kentu yaki bakin ye burden bar ka soka khanang ban weng yak jing jogi hajeka bakin ban la ban ka jing pensit ka ban yalam syakabas new.
This is a growing sector. All these years, you don't hear of such demands and such issues raised by tourist taxi associations. Why? Because tourism was not happening. Tourism was minimal. Now, with the sector increasing its reach, apparently more and more people would like to reap the benefits of that sector. There's nothing wrong in that. But we also have to look at what are the possibilities of a backlash. What if the neighboring state also imposes stringent measures to curb the entry of Megalayans into Assam? Who will bear the brunt at that point of time? And who will take responsibility? Will the taxi associations take the responsibility if Megalayans are stopped from going to airports or railway stations or access hospitals in Guwahati? We as a government have to act very responsibly, and we expect that these associations will continue the discussions with this committee led by Cyril and come to a point of conclusion.
What is your message? Some pressure